Let's take a moment to make sure that your bubble editor is safe and secure and that no bad actors can access it. So we start by going into the settings, general, and within that we see privacy and security. Now in this drop down, we have three different options. The private app option is what I'm using 99 to nearly 100% of the time, which just means this is a private app and only collaborators can access this application. Now, everyone can view is the setting that I'm currently using for this editor because this editor is being used for one of my bubble courses and I want my students to be able to access my editor, but I don't want them to be able to change anything. So in this settings, they can view my editor, but can't change anything. And then finally, everyone can edit means everyone can view and edit your editor. And normally I'm never using this unless it's like a community made project or something on the forum where you want everyone to be able to go in there and see it, but it's really something that I stay away from. So I'm almost always using my private app in a combination with limiting access to this app in run mode with a username and password. Meaning even collaborators or anyone that has access to the URL of this application still need to enter a username and password. This is just best practice to ensure that your application editor is safe and secure beyond additional levels of protection to make sure that your editor is only being accessed by those that have all of the permissions to access your editor. So hopefully this helps you keep your bubble editor safe and secure. And if you enjoyed this tip, please follow me for more.